How do I stay on top of my trademark application? How do I check the status? Is my trademark status in jeopardy and I don't even know it? Hi everyone, my name is Marcella Dominguez and I am trademark lawyer helping small and medium-sized businesses protect their brands online. If you are new to this channel, make sure that you hit subscribe so you could be notified of when I release more videos just like this one. So make sure you stay till the end because I am going to cover the entire process from A to Z of how to stay on top of your brand and make sure that you're completely aware of every single filing as it relates to your trademark application. It's not something that you want to lose track of, so it's easy. Follow me. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be teaching you how to check your status. So if you submitted a new trademark application and you're wondering where do I go to check on the status or any new documents that have been filed by the trademark examiner as it relates to my trademark application, then you are in the right place. So most important step of all is you're going to go to tsdr.uspto.gov. So that stands for Trademark Status and Document Retrieval, tsdr.uspto.gov. It's a good idea to just bookmark this page while you're in the application process so that you don't have to type it in every time. Then you're going to go to this white search bar here and you're going to leave the drop-down menu alone. By default, it should be on US serial registration or reference number. So for purposes of this example, I'm just going to type in this serial number here. Then we are going to click Documents. So now just to double check that you are on the right page, you're going to click on Status. And when you click on Status, you're going to see the mark associated with that serial number. So if this that you see here, where my cursor is, does not match what you're looking for, and it does not match your application, then you need to go find out what the correct serial number is, because chances are there's something wrong with the number that you input in the white box. So if you confirm that this is in fact your trademark, then you can go ahead and keep looking. So as you can see, there's been an office action issued in this case, and that is the latest document that has been issued. So if we click on it, it will show us what the trademark examiner had to say as it relates to this application. When we open it up, we will be able to read it in its entirety. We can also save it as a PDF. So in the top right corner, you will see that it contains a total of 11 pages. In other words, this final office action contains a total of 11 pages. Now you can click next page, and it will show you all of the documents. Now, in this blue button will allow you to download it as a PDF. Again, the first thing you should see is the serial number followed by the mark name. So if this does not match what you are looking for, then you are in the wrong place. Now, if we scroll all the way to the bottom of the office action, we will see the trademark examiner's information. Now, this person is assigned specifically to your trademark. So if you have any questions, then you have their contact information here. You have their email and their phone number. Now, if you have an attorney on file, they will typically only speak to the attorney. They will not speak to you. If you do not have an attorney on file, then they will speak to you. So here you can also click on the attachments, which are the same ones in this 11-page document. So you can either view them by clicking next page, or clicking on the attachments themselves. So if this video is helpful so far, I want to remind you to just click on the like button. My goal is that you learn more than you knew before you started watching. So now if we go back to the page that we were initially on, you will be able to see the entire history of this application. So you will see that it was filed in May of 2019. You will see every subsequent transaction, so to speak, that was filed or that was processed by you or by the trademark examiner that's assigned to this application. Now, if you click on proceedings, you will also be able to see any information related to any filings at the Trademark Trial and Appeal Board. Now, this is important if you have filed an infringement action against someone or someone has filed an infringement action against you. It will appear here under proceedings. Assignments means that if you have filed an assignment to transfer ownership of your trademark application to someone else, then that information would appear there. Now, you can also view more information on this page by clicking on these arrows. So you will be able to see the mark information, the goods and services, the current owner information, attorney correspondence information, and again, any proceedings. So this is like a quick reference if you want to find out the information specifically about this application in a quick, easy format instead of going into the documents section. So I hope this information was useful. Make sure that you hit subscribe so you can be notified of when I release more videos just like this one. And in the meantime, make sure that you give me a comment down below telling me USPTO in the comments so that I know you understood everything in this video tutorial.
And don't forget to watch this video, which will teach you more about trademarks also.